In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front inner fender liner on this Mazda 6. Let's get started. Let's start in the front here and remove several 8mm bolts from underneath, or screws I guess, they're going into plastic. And there's another one tucked up in here. With those removed, there are 2 plastic push clips we have to remove over here. A lot of times these get stuck from sand, so try to work them back and forth. If they break, you're going to have to replace them. There we go. So, slide this sideways and remove it. There's another 8mm tucked up in here, and you can either get it with a wrench, a socket, or you can remove this main splash shield underneath the engine and get it like that. I'm going to just try to get it through here. It's not working out for me. There we go. Now you can peel this away. There are more push clips along the outskirts of the fender liner where it meets the bumper. Pry all of them out. Along the inner portion of the fender liner, there will be more push clips. Pop those out as well. One on the forward part of the fender liner. One last one underneath. There we go. Now take the fender liner, push it from behind the fender to basically unhook it like this, and remove it. There it is. Let's reinstall the fender liner, slide it back over the wheel. And push it up into position. Try to line it up the best you can, and whatever lines up first, start those push clips in. That way it's being held in place, because if it's not being held in place, it's going to keep falling off. Underneath here, make sure the fender liner gets tucked in behind this plastic piece that's here. Get these top ones in. Let's get the 3 on the back on. And there were some in the front as well. Once everything's back together, let's reinstall this little splash shield here. Line it up with the 2 holes and slide it sideways to lock it in. There we go. Had 2 push clips attaching it in the middle. And then let's reinstall all the 8mm screws that went all around. Snug these up. They're going into plastic, so keep that in mind. You don't want to over tighten them. Okay, that's tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.